Good, good morning, everyone. So, in this topic, I'm going to discuss something about what is food safety. So, let me introduce myself. I'm Madhumathi from Department of Food Technology, SNS College of Technology. So, in this topic, as we all know from the term food safety, so it is nothing but which describes the handling, preparation, and storage of foods in order to prevent the foodborne illness. So the mainly how it is occurred is the it is more commonly it is like seen when we are in outbreak of any foodborne disease. So what are all some of the food safety rules? So first we have to prevent the spread of the particular bacteria while preparing the foods. So the basic things is we have to wash our hands, then also wash the handling things that we are products that we are using, and keep the raw meats or the juices away from the refrigerator and the countertops. So what do you mean by food safety practices? Coming to the practices, safe steps in food handling, cooking and storage are the main essential steps to prevent the foodborne illness. Following by in each and every food preparation, you have to follow for 4 steps of food safety and how to keep the food safe. So what are those 4 principles is as clean, separate, chill and cook. So clean means we have to wash it often. Separate means we have to keep like food separately, like keep ready to eat separate from raw foods. We have to refrigerate whichever food is required and we have to cook it. So keeping that in mind, there are 7 steps of the hazard analysis critical control point. Why we follow this is it has based on mainly 7 principles. First, it will conduct a hazard analysis, which will identify the critical point, establish these points, monitor the critical control points and establish corrective action. Then they take the necessary verification for the HACCP, and for which the record keeping is done and it does not stand alone. So this is basically practiced in any type of food industry. So coming to what are all the 7 basic principles of HACCP, as we have seen, why this is mainly done is mainly it is being done to meet the stated goal of any food industries. It will include hazard analysis, monitoring and verification procedures. So analysis means we have to set a critical limit and we have to see to that it is being monitored based on the procedures and also record keeping and documentation of the principle. So what are all the most common critical control points? If we see, it is a point, step or a procedure at which controls can be applied and a food safety hazard can be prevented. The most common critical control point is the cooking, where the food safety managers will designate the specified control limits. So coming to the what are the critical control points in any food preparation? So what a CCP is a point or the step or the procedure at which a significant hazard will occur in the particular food preparation and handling, and at which control can be applied to prevent or either to eliminate or to reduce the hazard to an acceptable level. So this flowchart of HACCP is nothing but it gives a pictorial representation of the process within the food industry. It is like generally it represents all the steps that the raw materials goes through the any finished products. So coming to the good manufacturing practices, so we all would have come across like many practices that are followed in industry in order to maintain the quality standards of any food products. Likewise, good manufacturing process, one of the system to ensure these products are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards. It's mainly why we practice good manufacturing practices, because it is done or designed to minimize the risks that are involved in any production and can be eliminated through testing the final product. Thank you for listening. Bye.